Readers, as we have been reading and learning from our expository texts, we have been collecting main ideas. You may have noticed that sometimes your main idea needs to be more general or more specific as you read on in your text. This has happened to me too. Just last night, I was reading a food magazine, and the article had this pop out sentence that read, "Green beans aren't just tasty, they are wonderful for your health." So I thought, that's my main idea. And as I kept reading, it was saying that fruit isn't just tasty, it's wonderful for your health. And then nuts and whole grains are also wonderful for your health. And I realized that maybe my main idea needs to be changed. I need to revise it to reflect my best thinking. And so I decided that really what that article was mostly about was how it's important to eat a variety of healthy foods. Today, I want to teach you that when readers read nonfiction and come up with a main idea, they expect that the main idea will be revised as they continue to read and learn more. The main idea is often revised by becoming more specific or more general. Let me show you what I mean. So, as I was reading my book, this was the first page. The gentleman there, his arm around the dog. They're sitting on a blanket under the tree. They both look like they're smiling to me. And then here was the next page. A girl and her dog hugging. And here was the next page. A woman with getting a doggy kiss from her dog. So I was thinking as I was reading this that this text's main idea is that dogs are good company. So that was what I had jotted in my notebook. Dogs are good company. And then I kept reading. Let me show you what I saw. That's not a dog. That's not a dog. So I need to revise my main idea. Will you help me right now? Would you whisper in your hand or jot in your notebook a revised main idea? Not that dogs are good company. What could be the main idea? I did that too, and here's what I came up with. Pets of all kinds, dogs, cats, birds, are good company. Do you see how I did that? As I was reading and collecting main ideas, I was expecting that I might have to revise my main idea as I read more by either making it more precise or more global. This is important for you to do too, because you want your main ideas to reflect your best thinking and your best learning that you've been doing all along the way. So, right now, think about all that you know about how to learn from expository text. And when you go off today, remind yourself of your work plans. And you could, to learn from your expository text, pause, hold on to those main ideas and supporting details, whether or not you have headings. You could teach others what you've been learning, and you could do some of this work that we've been doing, revising main ideas as you learn more and read on. off you go.